In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add diagrams in Miro. Miro is a powerful online collaborative whiteboard platform that is perfect for team brainstorming sessions, strategic planning, or creative projects. Being able to add diagrams effectively can greatly enhance the clarity and impact of your presentations or collaborative work. So let's dive straight into it. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Miro dashboard. You can do this by visiting Miro's website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your boards are stored. If you haven't created any boards yet, now's a great time to start. This is the central hub where all the magic happens. Now once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a collection of your existing boards. You can either click on one of these to work on an already created board or start fresh by creating a new one. Regardless of which option you choose, the steps to add diagrams will be the same. If you're creating a new board, simply follow the prompts to give it a name and set it up. Moving on, once you've opened a board, locate the plus button on the left side of the screen. When you hover over this button, you'll notice that it expands to reveal several options, including tools, media, and integrations. This is your gateway to a whole world of features that Miro offers. Next, click on the plus button. This action will open up a panel. Within this panel, under the Formats section, you will see the option for Diagram. Selecting this allows you to explore a wide variety of pre-designed templates suitable for different types of diagrams. Once you've selected Diagram, you will see a vast range of templates to choose from. Whether you're looking for a flowchart to map out a process, a timeline to represent a project schedule, or any other kind of visual, there's likely a template that fits your needs. Adding a template is as easy as clicking on it and placing it on your board. If you prefer a blank slate, you can just as easily choose to start from scratch, offering you complete creative freedom to design a diagram that perfectly suits your project's requirements. Adding diagrams in Miro is a straightforward process, but brings a lot of depth to your work by making complex ideas more accessible through visual representation. Whether you're collaborating in real time with a team or preparing your board for a presentation, mastering diagrams is a skill worth having in your Miro toolkit. And there you have it. Now you're equipped to add diagrams to your Miro boards like a pro. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and happy diagramming.